Good evening and welcome to Cardiff and Vale College. Noswaith Arithi, croeso I Coleg Caerdydd a Fro. Welcome to our first Cardiff and Vale Rugby Academy dinner, sponsored by Principality and Cardiff Metropolitan University.
Great honour to be here. This place is all the makings of being a conveyor belt for Welsh rugby, for you guys to achieve your goals and for this institute to do the same.
So who would have thought that after one shot here we'd be where we are today, enjoying the successes of this very talented group of young players?
I would lastly like to thank my team over the last 2 years for making it a memorable 2 years and gaining brothers forever. I would like all the team to stand and give all the coaches a round of applause for all their hard work and dedication.
Right, so on to Player of the Year. This award took the longest to decide, but produced a result all the coaches agreed upon. I have a great deal of admiration for this young man. The Player of the Year award goes to David Smith.